Alright, hi there guys, this is Miss Scott, and in this short video we're going to just talk about what makes a function have exponential decay. And if you look at the function a times b to the power of x, you will notice that that's actually the same function as exponential growth. What makes it decay is that the base b has to be between 0 and 1. For example, 1/2 or 0.2, something along those lines. A is still the y-intercept, and the domain, just like before, is still all real numbers. Now, the range of the function, if you have a positive a value, your y's are always positive. And again, if you have a negative a value, the y's are always negative. And that, again, is the same as exponential growth functions. The end behaviors are going to slightly a little different. You'll notice that as a goes to the negative region, so that's these x values, as we're going more and more negative, the function is going to get bigger and bigger, so it approaches positive infinity. On the other hand, on this left side, or the right side of the graph, as the x values are getting bigger and bigger, our function is getting closer and closer and closer to 0. Okay, and again, these functions also have horizontal asymptotes. In this case, it's still approaching that line y equals 0 because it's not shifted up or down. So in these first three examples here, just really what you need to know about growth versus decay. If a function is exponential growth, b is greater than 1. And if it's decay, it is between 0 and 1. Okay, so we're going to just see if these functions do have growth or decay. So notice here our b value is 5/8. Well, 5/8 is between 0 and 1, so this here is exponential decay. In this second function, you notice our b value is 6/5. Well, 6/5 is 1 1/5, which is more than 1, so this is exponential growth. And lastly, 2/3 is our b value in example 3. 2/3 is between 0 and 1, so this is exponential decay. Alright, so pretty straightforward. If it's between 0 and 1, it's exponential decay, meaning it's going to go down from left to right, and if it's growth, it's going to go up from left to right, and that has a b value that is bigger than 1.